Are you looking forward to update Minecraft on mobile? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily update your Minecraft app. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. In the address bar, search for Minecraft. Move ahead to this app. Right here you have to make sure that you have purchased this application and install it on your device. Well, if you have it installed on your device, here instead of the amount, you'll see the option of update. Tap on update and update the application to the latest version. The other method is go back to the home page and move into your profile at the top right. You need to move into apps. In this page, you will be able to see all the application that has been installed on your device. And right beside that, if the application has not been updated, then you will see the option of update. Simply tap on update, wait for the update to be completed, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can update Minecraft on your device. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.